Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each pair of work boots in this video will offer different options depending on which specific functions, such as steel or soft toe, meeting tough work boot or Wellington needs, and/or your pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of work boots and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. Don't miss this week's 2 essential extras at the end of the video. So let's get started. The best men's steel toe work boots coming in now is the Skechers men's Burgin-Tarlac industrial boot. These durable boots are 100% leather embossed. They come in 6 different colours from size 7 to 14 with a wide range of options. They are perfect work shoes. They are puncture and water resistant with lace-up ankle and air-cooled cushion memory foam insoles, with the base sole being made from Goodyear long-lasting rubber for slip resistance and traction. The Skechers men's Burgin-Tarlac boot are perfect for driving a truck, industrial or construction trades and have good protective features like steel toe, electrical hazard protection and padded collar, so that you can work safely and comfortably every day. Next on our list of recommendations is the Skechers for Work women's steel toe boot. These steel toe boots are comfy with ankle padding and man-made sole. They're available in size 5 to 11 with a wide fitting in 4 colours. They are well made, rugged construction, including an electrical safety design and comfortable roomy fit with a gel infused memory foam insole. The Skechers Work women's steel toe boot are 100% leather with a shock absorbing midsole and a traditional lace-up front. The best unisex soft toe boots is the Ever Boots Tank work boots. These tall ankle-length boots are made for men and women, being made from nubuck leather that's soft with no break-in period, so comfortable from day one, and are available in size 6 to 14 and in 2 colours. They are soft toe with reinforced stitching and metal rivets. The thick, long-lasting sole is stitched, not glued, and that is grooved for rough work on a construction site or workshop. The Ever Boots Tank work boots have a removable insole for hours of comfort, and the speed hooks make it easy to use the long tough laces or fat lace-ups. Moving on to the next, the Cat Footwear men's threshold work boot. This boot comes in 2 colours and is tough for on the job site with slip resistant outsole to grip on low traction surfaces, plus they offer electrical hazard protection. The uppers are made from leather, making them durable, abrasion resistant, and the seams are sealed so they are waterproof to keep your feet dry all day at work. The Cat Footwear men's threshold work boot has a heavy duty steel toe to protect your foot on site against impact or compression, and there is a soft shock absorbing insole for everyday comfort. Next is a women's boot that we recommend, the Timberland Pro Safety Toe work boot. These boots are designed for women with a shoe size ranging from 5.5 to 11 in 3 different sizes and are extremely comfortable and durable. It is a steel toe safe work boot with a comfort system to help against foot fatigue. They are sturdy and ready for a long shift or a tight uneven space or construction site, as they stay dry even in dirty water and have a high quality waterproof nubuck leather upper. The Timberland Pro women's work boot can be used from the box to the site without the need to break them in and have max trax tread, meaning they are slip resistant. Now on our list of recommendations is the WOLVERINE men's 10-inch work boot. This work boot is well constructed from full grain leather to enable you to withstand the tough demand of your job in an automotive shop or construction, for example. They are not laced up but comfortable with a fully removable cushioned insole, so less back fatigue and no sore feet, plus the rubber outside is slip resistant. The WOLVERINE men's 10-inch work boot is a waterproof, solid, rugged steel toe boot with a protective 10 3/4 shaft that's a non-lace up but have an opening of around 15 inches. Coming in next are the Carhartt women's CWP 1150 10-inch work boot. This 10-inch shaft traditional work boot has a soft toe and comes in 2 colours starting at size 6, and they are quality footwear that can stand up to any job in a wide variety of industries. They have a durable slip resistant rubber outsole that is a Goodyear welt with a lug bottom for tough jobs, and a dry fast insole provides comfort, plus the strobel cushion pad means reduced foot fatigue. The Carhartt women's work boot offers waterproof breathable protection to keep your feet dry, plus the breathable membrane promotes airflow. The last pair of work boots are the Dunlop Protect Protective Footwear Tools Modern. This unisex pair of PVC boots are 100% waterproof. They are lightweight Wellington boot style with pull tabs that make it simple to put them on. They provide comfort all day and are easy to rinse off and clean. The Dunlop Protective Footwear Tools Modern outside sole provides excellent surface slip protection tread, which absorbs energy and has water repellent channels. Extra number 1 this week is the Obenauf's Heavy Duty LP Leather Preservative. The oil leather condition is heavy duty leather preservative that will rejuvenate and protect your boots from caustic chemicals, acids and petroleum as it increases the waterproofing, thus extending the life of your boots. Extra number 2 this week is the Dickies Dri-tech Moisture Control Crew Socks Multipack. These soft, breathable, moisture control socks are in a wide range of colours and sizes. They are machine washable, made from 71% cotton, 27% polyester with 2% spandex, with arch support and a durable reinforced heel and toe. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful work boot tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.